feeling tired, sluggish, or running low on energy no matter what you do. You might be overlooking two natural energy boosters sitting right in your kitchen: beetroot and ginger. These two powerhouse foods can transform your energy levels, improve blood flow, and boost your endurance naturally. In this video, we'll break down the science behind beetroot and ginger, how they enhance circulation, oxygen delivery, and metabolism to keep you energized all day long. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or someone just trying to beat fatigue, adding these ingredients to your daily diet can make a real difference. Stick around till the end for a simple energy-boosting drink recipe using beetroot and ginger that you can make in minutes. And if you love natural wellness, nutrition, and healthy living, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of health enthusiasts. Are you constantly searching for natural ways to boost your energy and enhance your overall well-being? Look no further than two vibrant and readily available ingredients: beetroot and ginger. These incredible superfoods offer a powerful synergy for elevating your energy levels. They work through a fascinating combination of physiological mechanisms, providing a sustainable lift. Forget the jitters and crashes associated with artificial stimulants. Beetroot and ginger offer a natural and effective alternative to traditional energy drinks. Together, they don't just provide a temporary fix, they promote deep, lasting vitality. This dynamic duo supports your body's natural processes, helping you feel more alive and focused. Get ready to discover how these humble roots can revolutionize your daily energy. Let's start with beetroot, a true nutritional powerhouse. Its primary energy-boosting benefit comes from its remarkably high nitrate content. This is where the magic truly begins for your stamina and endurance. When you consume beetroot, these dietary nitrates undergo a fascinating transformation in your body. They convert into nitric oxide, a crucial molecule for cardiovascular health. Nitric oxide acts as a powerful vasodilator, meaning it helps to widen your blood vessels. This widening of blood vessels significantly improves blood flow throughout your entire system. The result is enhanced circulation, which is vital for every cell in your body. Better blood flow means more oxygen, and nutrients are efficiently delivered to your muscles and organs. For anyone active, these physiological improvements are a game changer. Enhanced oxygen and nutrient delivery directly translates to increased stamina and reduced fatigue. It's like giving your body a high-octane fuel upgrade. Numerous studies have highlighted beetroot's impact on physical performance. Athletes often report significant improvements in endurance and a reduction in perceived exertion during exercise. This means you can push harder and recover faster. But beetroot's benefits extend beyond immediate performance. It is also rich in powerful antioxidants, which play a crucial role in sustained energy. These compounds actively combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to cellular fatigue. Furthermore, beetroot helps to reduce inflammation throughout the body. By mitigating these internal stresses, beetroot further contributes to stable and sustained energy levels. It helps your body operate at its optimal best, day in and day out. Now, let's turn our attention to ginger, a spice renowned for its incredible health benefits. Ginger is celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties are key to reducing muscle soreness and combating general fatigue. Ginger's active compounds help soothe the body after physical exertion. This means quicker recovery and less downtime, keeping your energy reserves high. It's a fantastic natural remedy for post-workout discomfort. Beyond its anti-inflammatory prowess, ginger also plays a vital role in digestion. It helps to stimulate digestive enzymes, ensuring your body efficiently breaks down food. This improved digestion leads to better nutrient absorption. When nutrients are absorbed more effectively, your body can better utilize the energy from the food you eat. This ensures a steady and reliable supply of fuel for all your daily activities. Ginger essentially optimizes your energy extraction process. Interestingly, ginger can also stimulate the release of adrenaline in some individuals. This provides a natural, gentle energy boost and enhances alertness without the harsh side effects of artificial stimulants. It's a subtle yet effective pick-me-up. So, while beetroot focuses on circulation and oxygen delivery, ginger supports your body's internal efficiency. It ensures that the fuel you consume is properly processed and utilized. This complementary action makes them an unbeatable team. Ginger also helps to calm digestive upset, which can often drain your energy. By promoting a healthy gut, it indirectly contributes to a more vibrant and energetic you. A happy gut often means a happy, energetic body. When beetroot and ginger come together, their individual strengths create a truly potent, synergistic effect. Beetroot provides the essential fuel for enhanced oxygen delivery to your cells and muscles. It primes your body for peak performance. Ginger, in turn, optimizes your body's ability to utilize that fuel efficiently. It ensures that the energy from your food is readily available and effectively used. Furthermore, ginger actively reduces the negative consequences of physical exertion, like soreness. The overall outcomes of this powerful combination are truly remarkable. You can expect increased energy levels, improved mental focus, and a profound feeling of overall well-being. It's a holistic approach to vitality. Incorporating these superfoods into your daily diet is surprisingly simple and delicious. For beetroot, you can enjoy it raw in salads, roasted as a side dish, or juiced for a quick energy shot. Adding it to smoothies is another popular and easy method. Ginger is equally versatile. Grate it fresh into stir-fries, slice it for a comforting tea, or add it to your morning smoothie. It also pairs wonderfully with savory dishes, adding a zesty kick and a health boost. Experimentation is key to finding what works best for you. Try different combinations and preparations to tailor the benefits to your individual needs and taste preferences. The possibilities are endless for delicious and energizing concoctions. By embracing the power of beetroot and ginger, you unlock a sustainable and healthy pathway to elevated energy levels. This dynamic duo helps you cultivate a more vibrant, focused, and energetic life. It's time to feel your absolute best, naturally. If this video helps you boost your energy naturally, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health, nutrition, and wellness content every week. Have you tried this health tip? Share your experience below and pin a comment, and please share your favorite healthy foods. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.